We are here at Norman Love Chocolates. My husband has bought me their chocolates a lot, but it's always been delivered. This is the first time we've been to their actual store, so very excited. Crazy. Look at that. Chocolate penguins.
Yeah, they couldn't ship that. There ain't no way.
Yeah.
There's some stuff they just can't ship.
I would definitely understand that. Oh, it looks like a cake. Sipping chocolate. What is that? Sipping chocolate. Oh, look at that alligator. That's pretty cool.
Oh, he's cool.
Chocolate shoes and a purse. Caramel tower, chocolate mousse, caramel cream, chocolate sponge, and sable. I cannot decide. Coconut mousse, tiramisu. Oh, Robert, this is what you're gonna get: eggnog cheesecake.
Oh my goodness. That's what I need too.
Hazelnut bar. I've seen that one before. Lemon blueberry. What's the one on the end without a tag?
That one's a white chocolate cheesecake.
White chocolate cheesecake. Yeah, I would like the raspberry dome and an eggnog cheesecake.
Are we doing it for here to go?
For here.
What would we like to drink?
Let's see. Do you want to get an iced iced tea?
Iced tea.
They have I'm sorry, I can never say that. Tea.
Where is that?
Okay. Drink menu. Can I just get an iced latte?
And for you?
Can I get the chai, the medium sized?
I have a small or a large. Yeah.
A large. Can I get it iced?
Nice.
Yeah.
So trying to latte.
Yes. Okay.
Tiramisu.
Oh, I do have Santa Claus.
Hello, have you been helped?
Yes, we have. Thank you.
Tony, I'm going to lunch.
That's like a s'more, is that what it's called?
White cheesecake. Oh wait, oh, yeah, the white chocolate cheesecake. Yeah. What are you missing?
The hazelnut.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. They have a factory in the back. That's pretty cool. And then have a gelato section. I was enjoying looking at all this stuff.
I like seeing if there's activity back
had the passion panna cotta. I really like that one.
Anything else for you guys?
Oh, no, that's it for now. Thank you. And then we're gonna sit down and eat our treats. Alright, so we got Robert the eggnog cheesecake, and I got the raspberry cream brulee. So, this was really cool. We got a couple hours to kill before our hotel is ready. So this is the perfect way to relax. I forgot to mention in the beginning, this is Norman Love's in Fort Myers, Florida. It's New Year's Eve, and we had a super early flight, and we are here now, about 12 noon, enjoying Florida for New Year's Eve. Open down the half.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Cut that raspberry right in half.
So what the inside looks like.
And
So is that on chocolate? Is that what that is? So everything beautiful. Alright, thank you. Are you gonna cut yours open?
yeah, I'll cut myself.
I don't think yours probably won't have anything in it.
But ain't gonna be nothing spectacular like
It's
yours,
just
but
this eggnog in the middle.
there you go.
That looks very nice. Very cool. Chocolate. Alright, I just wanted to add a couple thoughts. I just talked to a very nice employee. So we are in the location that is like 6 minutes from the airport. It is the factory. It is the original location. It is also where all the chocolates are made. She said that there is another nicer cafe style with bigger not nicer, I mean this was super nice, but nice in the fact that there's more seating and wine and stuff. Off of McGregor,
Yes.
right before you cross the bridge into Sanibel. I think we're gonna stop at that one too, because I remember seeing like pictures of a cafe, and then once we walked in I was like, this doesn't look right, but I'm so glad this is the one we stopped at to learn that this was the original location, that this is where the factory was. All the employees were super nice, or I'm sorry, the factory is, and there was people working. They said it is New Year's Eve, so they're closing early, but there's people working right there. The chocolates the little desserts we had were awesome. I don't know, how much did you pay for 2 coffees and 2 desserts?
You know what? It was like 17 or something.
17? That's not bad.
No, it's not. It's not out of range at all. And the desserts were light. They were actually light.
Yeah.
It wasn't
No,
like you were yeah, it wasn't too much food.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
And Robert discovered Norman Love just by researching chocolates, right?
I ended up looking up chocolates, and he won some awards. So I wanted to get something that was special.
So it's just a coincidence that he's based in Florida and we come to Florida so much. So once he realized that he was based here, I was like, I really want to stop. And so this location is really nice. So if you're this is the Fort Myers airport. So if you're killing time, you don't need to go to the airport early. You should stop by this location. It was super nice.
And each chocolate is like a work of art.
Each
At
chocolate
least
is
I
a work
think
of
it is.
art.
I think they're beautiful.
He gives me some every Valentine's Day, and I end up keeping the boxes because they all have like this distinctive green and brown color, and they're super nice. And anyway, sorry, I'm not sponsored. We paid for that, but I am a huge fan of Norman Love's chocolates. So hey, Norman Love, if you're watching this, sponsor me. I love your chocolates.